Hey, it's Bill DeWeese, pro voiceover talent and voiceover career coach. And I blew it. I was supposed to do a Facebook comment Friday edition on Friday. And since it's kind of new, I forgot about it, to be honest. And I've got a whole bunch of Facebook comments I wanted to share with you. So I get some unbelievably, just unbelievable Facebook comments, not only, from things that I post, but also from ads that I run to promote the training that I do. That's where the best comments come from. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share a Facebook comment today, then I'll do it again on Friday, because it really, and this is not to poke fun at the people who post these. Some people are just trolling, but others, they really, it comes from a sincere place. And so hopefully to maybe answer questions and eliminate confusion, I'll share some of these comments with you. So here's today's comment from Joel. He says, the only one getting rich on this is the guy selling the program. His comment about the voiceover blueprint. Well, Joel, that's a whole other conversation. Anyhow, I've got plenty of people I'm sure who are in the program would love to weigh in and share their experience. He says, I have a close friend that owned a top voiceover business, being shut out by digital voicing. So his friend owns a top voiceover business and he's being shut out by digital voicing. So by digital voicing, I have to assume that Joel's talking about the, digitized animated voices that can be used to basically text to speech. Okay. And is that a thing? Yeah, it's a thing. I don't hear it all that very often, but I'm sure it will become more and more of a thing. And if it is taking over your friend's voiceover business, I'm going to argue that it's probably not a top voiceover business, because really what digital voicing is targeting is really the bottom end of the tier, the less experienced folks who really can't command a whole lot for what they do, because people who have budgets and want to promote a product and want to sell it and really gather a sizable audience aren't going to use digital voicing. And just to illustrate that, let me bring up this comment. How about this for timing? I received this today. Here's a message I received from someone who says, hey, Bill, we've used Natural Reader. And Natural Reader is one of these programs, a text-to-voice program, to put together our phone greetings. We have finalized our setup and need to do it with a real voice now. This robot thing is terrible. So really, the question here is, where is the digitizing of voices taking us as it relates to the voiceover business? Is it going to take over our work, much like computers and automation will take over everybody's job at McDonald's eventually? Is the same thing going to happen with us in voiceover? And the answer is, I don't think so. I think it will affect the bottom tier. Again, the less experienced, it's easy just to, a digital voice might sound better than somebody who is not properly trained and doesn't have much experience. But I've seen no indication whatsoever that it certainly hasn't affected my work in the least, nor the people I know or work with. So it's not something I would pay much attention to, at least at not this point of the game. It's not developed to that point. Will it ever be? It might develop to the point where it makes a bigger impact, but I cannot imagine it will ever have a massive impact on the industry for one simple reason, and that is that computers don't feel. People have emotions. People respond to emotion. If you feel something, you can make somebody else feel something when you communicate. If you don't feel anything, they don't feel anything. Computers don't have the ability to process thoughts and emote and to feel. And for that reason, this is my opinion, solely my opinion, for that reason, I don't think digitized voicing will ever have a massive impact on the market at large. Hey, thanks for checking out the video. I hope you find it helpful. If you are interested in finding out this program that only I'm getting rich on, I say that sarcastically, the voiceover blueprint, I would love to have you check it out. And we've got lots of people who are using it to make a really good living, either full-time or a nice part-time side gig as well. If you want to learn more, just click the link below this YouTube video to schedule a free discovery call. Thanks for checking out the video. I hope you like, share, subscribe, and we will talk soon.